Welcome back to another video with Kids Art Lab. And today, what are we going to be painting?
A whale shark.
A whale shark. What do we need for that?
Blue, white, and black.
Okay, let's get to it. A whale shark. Okay, so we're going to start up here, and he's basically just going to kind of work this way. So just for as we're planning our drawing here. So we're going to start on this side of the head, and we're going to go this way. Something like that. Good. And then we'll have the dorsal fin, which is going to be kind of like this. And then they come down. It's not quite a triangle, but it's close to a triangle. Good, yes. Okay, then we're going to continue on down here towards the tail. Go all the way down. Leave yourself enough room for the actual tail part. Okay. And then we're going to start like this. And then it's going to kind of go down. Then you're going to have the second part. And then back up. Good. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to start coming out the bottom here and start working our way back. So we'll start here. And there'll be like a little, they have like these little fins underneath. Something like that. Good. Okay, and then we're going to come this way. We'll stop it right there for now. Now what we're going to do is we're going to work on the head, the lower jaw. So it's going to be something like this. It's going to be a circle, like an oval, coming up kind of to where we are here. I'm going to stop it before you get to where we just were. Good.
They're like big suctions. They suck up plankton.
Yeah, they have huge mouths, and they just kind of swim with their mouth open and just eat.
Like little plankton from SpongeBob.
Yeah. Okay. So then what we're going to do is we're going to make a fin, and they have these really long fins here to help guide them through the water. And then we're going to come, excuse me, right here. Same thing. We're going to come out. Let me just finish this so you can see what I'm going to do. Something like that. It's kind of help guides them through the water. Good. And then sometimes you'll see another fin here. We're going to do another kind of a sharp one. Nice. Okay, now let's work on the face a little bit. So what we're going to do is they have these, like you said, they have these huge mouths. So we're going to start here. Good. And then we're going to give them a little bit of a happy face. Okay, now we're going to do an eye. So one eye is going to be right here. And we're going to do like a half moon. Good. And then bring each side to a point. Good. And then same thing over here. We're going to do half moon. Yeah. Yeah. And now just make a a point. Mm-hmm. Like that. Cool. Okay. And then we're going to do, and this will make a little bit more sense when we color it, but we're going to do another one right here in his mouth.
Like the gum?
Yeah, it's going to be kind of his gum, but we'll do a different color. And then lastly, we can see that there's another fin off on the other side. And that'll look something like that. Nice. Well, I think it's time we fast forward and bring our whale shark to life.
I think the whale sharks turn out pretty good.
Yes, well, we definitely changed some things from what we were talking about before. What did we do?
So, we didn't think it was colorful enough, so we just added some nice coral on the bottom.
Uh-huh.
We added some, like, neon orange.
Yeah, some whatever we had, some orange.
We added some pink.
Mm-hmm.
And we added some green.
Well, I think it was a nice choice. It was a good idea you had. Mm-hmm. What else do we have to do?
Sign our picture!
Well, we want to thank everybody for joining us again for another drawing and painting with Kids Art Lab.
I hope you had fun painting your whale shark. We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye for now.
Well, look at